Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes using Sprintax. First, you'll need to visit the Sprintax website and create an account. This initial step is crucial for setting up your profile and beginning the tax preparation process. Make sure to have your basic personal information ready, as this will streamline your account creation. Sprintax is specifically designed for non-residents, making it an invaluable tool for international students and scholars navigating the U.S. tax system. Before you start entering data into Sprintax, it's essential to gather all your necessary documents. This includes income statements such as Form W-2, Form 1042-S, or various Form 1099. Don't forget your passport, visa, and records of your entry and exit dates from the United States. Having everything organized beforehand will make the filing process much smoother and prevent delays. Once your account is set up and documents are ready, you can begin inputting your information into Sprintax. Carefully enter your personal details, including your immigration status and dates. Then, report all your income sources and any deductions or credits you qualify for. Sprintax will guide you through each section, ensuring all necessary data is captured to accurately calculate your tax liability. After entering all your information, Sprintax will generate your tax forms. Take your time to thoroughly review everything for accuracy before submitting. You can then file your federal and state returns electronically or print and mail them, following the instructions provided. Remember to keep copies of all your submitted documents for your records. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.